going everyone? It's Jay with Trader X, and today I'm going to go over another day trading recap with you guys. So today I only ended up taking 4 different trades and I ended up losing a total of $13.24, so I'm going to walk through that with you today. So the first stock I traded was ticker symbol MULN, sorry. This was the first stock I traded, as you can see here, MULN. And I got in at the price point of 1.875. So the reason why I decided to trade this stock was because it was one of the top gappers on my scanner. Like I've showed you guys before, it had the highest percentage change out today. Right around 6:30 when the market opened, it was like number 2, I believe. And I liked the pattern I saw because right when the market opened, the stock had a big push up around the 9% green candle, and it was trading between the EMA line and the top VWAP, which typically means it's showing signs of an uptrend, and I was looking to trade it as it continued to make higher highs and higher lows. So around these levels, when I saw it, I wanted to get in at a pullback right around this EMA line for a higher low and just a support level I can give it. So what I decided to do different this week that I've been doing just normally is I want to get in with only a fraction of my position size of initially. And the reason why I want to do that is because the last time I traded, I feel like every time I decide to get in with my full position, it can flush me out quick and I'll already be down a decent little amount. Whereas if I'm only in with a fraction at first, I can give it a little more space to go with these momentum stocks, and also I would be down a lot less if it did flush me out. So I decided to wait for an entry at right around here. Like I showed you, 1.875, 188 around here, and I got in with $500 and I was giving up 5% risk. Around $25 is what I was willing to give up, and it never ended up hitting that. It just fell about 1.5% and then ended up going up, and I was going to average up my other 3/4 of the position here, 762 shares at 198. And the reason why I wanted to average up here was because I wanted to get confirmation that the stock was going to go higher, and I wanted it to show signs it was going to cross its previous resistance. And I ended up adding at 198, and what I did wrong here was I ended up selling, as you can see here, I ended up selling at the price point $2, basically, my whole position size. So I was only in with my full position size for about 2 cents, 1%, so that would have been like $20. So what I did wrong was I definitely should have been a little more patient. I just thought the stock was struggling and I didn't want it to get rejected after it did pick up a little, but I literally sold a few seconds too early and I missed out on about 4%. With my full position, that would have been around another $80. So we're at the price when I did sell after I averaged up, I was up around $54. And I'm only up $9 on the day because I ended up taking another 2 positions right after that, as you can see here. And it was basically the same type of strategy. I thought it could just fall and go again, so I ended up getting in at the price point, as you can see here, 196 after it fell. And it never ended up going, unfortunately, a lot, and then ended up flushing me down here, just 5% right around here, the lows. And I decided to do it again after I thought it was going to bounce one more time, right around here, the 3rd time, and ended up just flushing me out, unfortunately. So I was still up $9 on the trade because I was only with a fraction of my size. And the last trade I took was ticker symbol AGRI, and let me just pull up the chart for that. So this stock, it was just unfortunate timing. This stock was one of the new top gappers. It wasn't there originally, but after like around 20-30 minutes when the market opened, it popped up, and I was alerted to it after it got halted right around this level. And when a stock gets halted, that just means in this instance a lot of people bought in at one time. Then there's the usual volume amount, I would say. So it had this big green candle and ended up stopping. The trades ended up stopping to being traded because of a halt that was put on it. So after 5 minutes, it ended up pushing up a little more after the halt was up, and then it flushed down, and I looked for another entry at a support level around here, I got filled at 417, and then the stock ended up flushing me out almost to the bottom of this 5%, right around these levels, which is so unfortunate because right after that I just decided calling the day. I thought it was a little choppy, but it ends up going another 15%. So this was the move I was looking for. It was just unfortunate timing. It didn't do it right here. It flushed me out first, and I could have got in. I'm only down $13 on the day after that trade, but I just wanted to walk away. I had 3 red trades in a row, and I definitely want to work on this new strategy this week and not just overtrade, which is why I decided to walk away. But very easily could have taken another trade on it and written this up. This is what I was looking for, but it was just unfortunate timing. But it is what it is, and I'm excited to try my new strategy today. I had 1 winning trade and 3 losing ones after that, and I still managed to only be down $13, so I'm blessed for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been another day trading recap. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and just watch our videos on YouTube. We have a channel for TraderX, and check out our Instagram. Thank you all so much, and have a great day.